Welcome to our detailed comparison of the OVAMAN K600 and the ROVE R2-4K dashcams. In today's video, we'll dive into the specifications, features, and performance of both products to see how they stack up against each other. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium device, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The OVAMAN K600 is priced at $139, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for essential dashcam features. In contrast, the ROVE R2-4K comes at a higher price of $199, reflecting its premium features and advanced technology. While the OVAMAN K600 offers great value, the ROVE R2-4K justifies its price with superior specifications and additional functionalities. Both dashcams feature 4K front recording and 1080p rear recording capabilities. However, the ROVE R2-4K utilizes the advanced Sony STAR-VIS2 sensor, which significantly enhances image quality, especially in low-light conditions. The OVAMAN K600, while still offering 4K resolution, may not perform as well at night due to its standard sensor. This difference can be crucial for users who often drive in varying lighting conditions. When it comes to storage, the OVAMAN K600 includes a 32GB SD card, which is sufficient for basic recording needs. On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K comes with a much larger 128GB card, allowing for extended recording times and more footage before needing to overwrite. This larger storage capacity is a significant advantage for users who require longer recording periods without interruption. In conclusion, both the OVAMAN K600 and ROVE R2-4K offer valuable features for drivers looking to enhance their vehicle's safety. The OVAMAN K600 is a more affordable option, while the ROVE R2-4K provides superior image quality and additional features. Depending on your budget and needs, either could be a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.